Welcome to the in front of me Realme GT Neo 3, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that scroll down to the sounds and vibration. Then scroll a little bit down, and now just tap to notification sound, click allow, and select one from this available sounds. For example, I will just use this one. After that, just go back, and now we can see that we just successfully changed notification sound on our Realme device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.